Hi there. We have 10 quick PMP exam preparation questions for you. I am Mark. This is PMP Exam Express channel. Please subscribe and like our content. Let's get into it. 1. During the execution of a project, a team member identifies a potential risk that could affect the project schedule. What should the project manager do next? A. Ignore the risk, as the project is already in the execution phase. B. Immediately implement a contingency plan. C. Document the risk in the risk register and assess its impact. D. Inform the sponsor and delay the project. Answer: C. Document the risk in the risk register and assess its impact. Explanation: Risks should be documented and evaluated regardless of the project phase. Ignoring risks can lead to major issues. Immediate action may not be necessary without understanding the risk's impact. 2. Sarah is managing a software development project and a key stakeholder requests a major scope change. What is the first thing Sarah should do? A. Approve the change immediately to maintain a good relationship. B. Consult the project sponsor for approval. C. Evaluate the impact of the change on scope, schedule, and cost. D. Inform the team to start working on the change request immediately. Answer: C. Evaluate the impact of the change on scope, schedule, and cost. Explanation: Before implementing any changes, the project manager must assess the impact on the project's constraints. This ensures informed decision-making before any approvals or rejections. 3. John is managing a construction project and realizes that one of his key resources will not be available for the next 3 weeks due to illness. What should John do first? A. Ask the resource to work remotely while recovering. B. Update the project schedule to account for the delay. C. Check the resource management plan for alternatives or backup resources. D. Notify the customer about the potential delay. Answer: C. Check the resource management plan for alternatives or backup resources. Explanation: The resource management plan will provide strategies for handling resource unavailability. Changing the schedule or notifying the customer should only occur after evaluating alternative solutions. 4. During a project review meeting, Alan, the project manager, notices that the project is behind schedule. What should Alan do next? A. Blame the team for the delays and increase working hours. B. Issue a change request to extend the project deadline. C. Review the project management plan and identify corrective actions. D. Report the delay to the customer and suggest cutting scope. Answer: C. Review the project management plan and identify corrective actions. Explanation: The project management plan should provide guidelines for corrective actions if the project goes off track. Making changes or reporting delays without first seeking solutions can escalate issues unnecessarily. 5. Maria, the project manager, finds out that 2 vendors have submitted bids significantly lower than expected. What should Maria do first? A. Select the lowest bid to save costs. B. Investigate the reasons behind the unusually low bids. C. Increase the project contingency to cover potential risks. D. Reject both bids and look for new vendors. Answer: B. Investigate the reasons behind the unusually low bids. Explanation: Unusually low bids could indicate hidden risks or misunderstanding of the project scope. Investigating the reasons is crucial before making any decisions. 6. A project that Daniel is managing is facing increased costs due to unforeseen regulatory changes. What is the best action for Daniel to take? A. Adjust the budget without notifying the stakeholders. B. Perform a cost-benefit analysis and submit a change request. C. Inform the sponsor and request immediate additional funding. D. Terminate the project to avoid further cost overruns. Answer. B. Perform a cost-benefit analysis and submit a change request. Explanation. When costs increase unexpectedly, the project manager must analyze the financial impact and submit a formal change request for approval rather than making unapproved budget adjustments or drastic decisions. 7. Isabella's project team is experiencing low morale and it's affecting productivity. What is the best approach for Isabella to address this issue? A. Ignore it and hope it resolves on its own. B. Organize team-building activities to boost morale. C. Threaten the team with disciplinary action if productivity doesn't improve. D. Ask the team members to work longer hours to compensate for lost productivity. Answer. B. Organize team-building activities to boost morale. Explanation. Team-building activities are an effective way to improve morale and productivity. Ignoring the issue or using threats may worsen team dynamics. 8. While conducting quality control on the deliverables, Emma discovers a significant defect in a critical component. What should she do next? A. Approve the deliverable and document the defect for future improvement. B. Request the team to immediately rework the component without delay. C. Conduct a root cause analysis and determine the appropriate corrective actions. D. Notify the customer about the defect and suggest accepting it as is. Answer. C. Conduct a root cause analysis and determine the appropriate corrective actions. Explanation. A root cause analysis helps to understand why the defect occurred and prevent future occurrences. Immediate rework or customer notification should happen after the cause is identified. 9. Michael is managing a software project where the stakeholders disagree on a key deliverable. What should Michael do? A. Proceed with the majority opinion and move forward with the deliverable. B. Escalate the issue to the project sponsor. C. Facilitate a discussion to reach a consensus among stakeholders. D. Delay the project until the stakeholders can agree. Answer. C. Facilitate a discussion to reach a consensus among stakeholders. Explanation. The project manager's role is to resolve conflicts and find common ground among stakeholders. Escalating too early or delaying the project could result in further issues. 10. Tom is managing an international project with multiple time zones involved. The team is struggling to coordinate due to communication delays. What is Tom's best course of action? A. Set a strict meeting schedule and require all team members to attend regardless of time zones. B. Implement a collaboration tool that allows asynchronous communication. C. Ask the team to adjust their working hours to match the project headquarters. D. Reduce the number of team members to simplify coordination. Answer. B. Implement a collaboration tool that allows asynchronous communication. Explanation. Asynchronous communication tools enable team members across time zones to communicate effectively without being constrained by time differences. Forcing everyone to adjust their working hours would reduce team morale. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our content. All the best with your PMP exam preparations.